lovelies, I'm Pilin Anice, Ailey Extension Instructor, Mirror Trainer, and Lululemon Ambassador. Today we're doing the right way with Well+Good. Today I'm going to show you the right way to do high lunge pose. High lunge pose is great because it's wonderful to strengthen your lower body. We're building strength and stamina in our quadriceps and our hamstrings and our hip flexors, and it's a very dynamic pose when you're doing it the right way. One of the common mistakes I see is this unsteadiness in the foundation of the feet and chest that's really far forward, so there's not even distribution of weight. The second common mistake is a pelvis that's tilted forward or back, so not neutral, creating crunching in our low back. Lastly, when the arms arrive overhead, there's this lifting of shoulders as earrings, which creates compression in our neck and in our shoulders. You don't want to do it that way, so I'm going to show you safely how to do it the right way. So first, starting with your foundation, you want to widen your feet to a comfortable distance that feels steady and grounded for your body. As you plant those feet, take a moment to feel stable and find the weight that's evenly distributed between your front foot and your back foot. Lengthen through your back leg as much as possible, and then with hands maybe to the hip points, see if you can draw your hip points up towards your rib cage, encouraging length in your lower back and toning through your belly. If the arms float overhead, make sure that the shoulders are softly resting away from the ears, your sternum slightly lifted, your gaze is forward, and the breath is steady. This, my friends, is the right way. And if this feels really intense for you, you have the option to bring that back leg down toward the ground. You can also keep the hands at the hips, bring them to the heart, or reach them overhead. And look at you, friend, now you're doing it the right way. This is the right way with Well+Good. Again, I'm Pilin Anice. Thanks for joining. Please like and subscribe. Follow along for more tutorials on how to do all yoga poses the right way. Until next time.